Hello beautiful people, I'm Terese and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you're taking the time to tune in. This is just a short vlog of how I choose what I'm going to decorate with, how I organize, and with the kids, it's always a challenge. So I hope that I inspire you, and I really do hope you enjoy this video. I really do love this candle. This is a wood wick and it does crackle and it sounds like a real fire. It's cinnamon chai. It smells really, really good. This I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And this I actually got at Five and Below. You get actually a set of 2. And this is like one of those salt lamps. Don't mind my fireplace. I'm trying to get everything ready. Yes, Barbie, trying to get everything ready for autumn decorating. And Barbie, we're definitely going to have to do something with your toys, honey. It's okay, honey. I know. Don't worry, you'll be able to find them all. Shopping for some items to start using for my autumn decorating. A lot of wood items, so it's definitely time to start thinking about what my design is going to be. Why are you obsessed with the garage? It's so dirty out there. This is what I picked out so far, and I'm just going to have to start thinking about the design. Morning, Coco. Good morning, Tweeties. Where is the Barbie? There you are. Okay. I'm going to pack away these spring pillows, and actually I'm going to wash this blanket. This blanket I do put on my couch because I do have a suede couch. Don't ever buy a suede couch. It gets really dirty. And actually I think this is a great neutral either for spring, fall, winter, all seasons actually. And I used to spend, oh my gosh, you guys, I used to spend so much money buying like a new cover, a new blanket for this couch. And I am just going to stick with this and save a lot of money. Barbie, honey, I do have to wash this. I know, honey. I'm going to wash this and this. Okay, you could rest for a little while longer. Okay. Put all of the spring items away in a box and cleared our counter for some fall decorating. I'm going to pack away these items because these are more or less for spring and it'll actually give me more room on the fireplace. Barbie. No, Coco was our friend. Yes, there he is, Mr. Coco Chanel. Such a pretty bird. I'm gonna take time out just for a little snack.